Hi everyone, welcome back to, you guessed it, another Lisi video. And today we're gonna be swatching and checking the Tropical Sunset set. So, as you can see, the package has changed again slightly. They're smaller, but everything else is the same. It's magnetic toy. So let's open that one. Let's crack right into it. So pretty with the holo print. And there's always these cards in there. Now, forgive me, I already had to peek, so there's glitter everywhere. Where the colors are listed or on the back. Which is very neat because every now and again I disassemble these sets and see what I have. And when I put them back together, I don't know which order. So here's the set. Again, these acrylic boxes. It's a little bit, let's risk a little bit more light. Yeah, these are so beautiful again. And I chose that set because I do have so many muted colors by now. I wanted something that pops. So, yeah, they're really, really pretty. It's just hard to really show them on camera. So beautiful. So let's put some water on there and swatch them. You know how it goes. It's the swatch card. And I wanted to do a short with jade, but it is impossible to get this color to look right on camera. So there goes that. Where is my... there. Just fixate it on the table so it doesn't slip away. So, where are we? Tropical Sunset. So, I can't zoom in any further. So, let's put some water on there. So curious for the swatches because they're already beautiful here in the pans. So let's let that sit for a while. And for everyone asking, you're swatching Coleros since you're swatching Lisis, what is the difference? I have made a video on that topic. That is called an educational video about pigments. And you can look it up all there. So now let's wait until that is dissolved. And footnote, you always have to let them sit for a few minutes until they dissolve. Yeah, that one is good. So here goes Sunrise. Goldy yellow. Beautiful. Yeah. Definitely one I was missing. Yeah. I'm usually not a fan of yellow, but that one is good. So now let's have sunset. More light. Yeah, we need more light here. That's better. So orange with a tad, I don't know, bit of silver in there. Yeah, it looks like an orange with a tad of silver. Or not, I'm not sure. Oh, pretty. And I also, if I can catch sunlight in the next days, I'm gonna show them to you in the sunlight again, because that is where they show their true glory. So now we have watermelon. And forgive if my voice is still a little bit rough. I'm coming out of a cold. But I'm doing my best. Yeah. So, also looks like a reddish, orangey reddish, with a drop of silver. That's beautiful. Orangey red, and that is what I wanted to say. Beautiful. Why do these always run together? That is something. Let's see if I can fix that. So now we have passion fruit. Okay. Now, what do we have here? Oh, lovely pink. Oh, pretty, very pretty pink. Also again with a drop of silver. Really pretty. Next one, and the one I'm most curious for, Paradise. I've compared them, and that one is quite similar to Morning Dew from the Indian summer set. Oh, nice bluish violet. Just not getting too close to the pink or it'll run together again. Beautiful. With a hint of pink. Pretty. Interesting. So then we we have Caribbean. I still don't know how to pronounce that. And in case you're wondering, is this anything like the northern polar night? It's not. Polar night is much more on the turquoise side of things. This is pretty. Yeah, beautiful. No undertones here. Slightly green, maybe. So then we come to the last one on white paper. You know we're going to swatch on the black one as well. Lagoon. Also not comparable to any other of them I checked. They're all different. So that one has a slightly, I don't know, bright green undertone. It's hard to tell, maybe a little bit yellowish. Yeah, beautiful, yeah. So now just give me a second now to change paper. Here's the wet swatches. Gonna have to wait until that dries. So beautiful. So now let's have some black paper. So same procedure, just on black. Now sunrise on black. Pretty. Why can't I zoom in more? Don't know, something's wrong with my light today, I don't know. Sunset on black. I need to hurry, my battery's running out. Sunset. They're very pretty again. Just what I needed. Some high chroma glitter. So, watermelon. I'm tempted to paint watermelon with that. Maybe. And we have passion fruit. That one is not like berry from the Indian Somerset. Nope. And if you'd ever like me to do comparing the different Lisis, then yeah, just drop me a comment, please. we have my favorite, Paradise, which you can already see is not like Wizard. It's much cooler and blue, more blue-like. Then we have Caribbean, I think it's pronounced. Oh, that one shines on black. Oi! And the last one, Lagoon. So, and now we're waiting for these to dry, and in the meantime I'm gonna change my battery, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in a few. So, and we're back, and yeah, that one is not completely dry, but I had to end the video, and yeah, here are the dry swatches indoor on white paper. Again, so beautiful. And I'm always fascinated by that pigment, because when you look close, it's like tiny microscopic needles. What kind of pigment is that? So, and second, here are the black ones. Indoors, artificial light. Next up, phone flash indoor and outside sunlight. So yeah, that's that for that set, and yeah, thank you again very much for watching, and stay tuned because I've got another set coming. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.